Welcome back, everyone. It's Shish Kebab Day. We were out at 4th of July today, so we went out fishing for a couple hours. And then I got home, cleaned up, and then I marinated some pork for the barbecue. So we're gonna throw these on the skewers, and then we're gonna go on barbecue in a little bit. So I get this marinated soy sauce and a little bit of my spray that I use for barbecuing, and Worcester sauce, a little bit of oil, pineapple, and some garlic, salt, etc. So I'm gonna throw these on here. See if I can do this without. That's one. There's a lot of them here. Okay, we got that one on. So we'll see you in a bit. I'm gonna put the rest of these on here, and then we'll go to the barbecue in a bit. So we'll see you in a few minutes. There we go, guys. We got all the meat on the skewers. Now off to the barbecue, warmed up. Grill is lit. Now let's start barbecuing. Okay, we're heated up now, guys. So let's throw them on. Get this barbecue going. Beautiful. Now, let them cook. A couple wood chucks, wood pieces, hickory. A little bit of smoke going here. That's more flavor. Put it down. And leave it for a few minutes. Why? Give these a little flip. They're cooking along. Looks mouth-watering and juicy. A little spray. Hickory smoke. Hickory wood smells good. I'll flip. Oh, put the lid back on for a few minutes. Got these on about medium high right now. What you growing down there? Huh?
Transfer the kale.
Oh, transferred the kale over there? She wants big kale, so took it out of the pot. chilies, a couple tomatoes. Get the barbecue almost finished here pretty soon, and then we're gonna eat. And then we got 4th of July tonight, so probably a little after 9 or whatever, so we're trying to find a place to park for that and see if we can capture any of that on video. So pretty long day so far, but nice day. Got a little bit of color out on the lake, so that's good. Too much color? She said too much color, she said, guys. I'm not that burned. So you guys comment, do I look burned? Or am I looking decent color now? She said I was too white before, so now she said I'm too red. You guys better comment and let us know.
How about me? Do I have a better color? I'm red, I think.
Are you? What about that? Yeah. It was almost like escapey there. I got a little taste. Boy, that's really tender. Take a look, guys. We're almost done. Little barbecue. Skewers. Do you guys like skewers? Hey, don't forget to hit the notification button there, the bell button for notifications, so you can see what we're doing next. We're about done, guys. We're 4th of July salad, and then now the barbecue. So, we're gonna have a lot of editing to do, huh? Anyway, so we'll see you in a minute.